We talk about location a lot here in real estate, but this one is the exact example we're looking for. This apartment located straight across from the pool, barbecue facilities, and around the corner from the marina with pubs and everything you need. Go check it out.
The most impressive thing about this apartment is very rarely do they have this. Not many of them do. This beautiful patio area, perfect for entertaining. Down the bottom, your little private sanctuary for getaway. This needs to be on your shopping list.
The apartment itself ties the entire lifestyle together. 2 bedrooms, gorgeous colouring throughout, easily usable kitchen, views, and everything you need. This one will be sold, so if you're interested, get in contact, but we'll see you soon.